Shalom, this is Rabbi Ben Herman with another edition of The Jewish Take, this one on anti-Semitism. Since Hamas committed its massacre on October 7th, the global surge in anti-Semitism has reached epidemic levels. In Sydney, Australia, cries of "Gas the Jews" were chanted outside the famous Opera House. Locally, at UC Davis, an American studies professor talked about targeting the Zionist journalists and their family members. As noted by the Jewish writer and editor Howard Lovey, we have to admit now that our days of relative comfort are over. Elected leaders and other decision makers struggle with how to respond. At times, they simply don't care, allowing Jews to be thrown under the proverbial bus. At others, they don't respond because they simply don't understand Jew hatred, commonly known as anti-Semitism. If we approach anti-Semitism not as a common prejudice, but as a societal disease, we can see why it's so endearing. When it comes to Israel, anti-Semitism is never about ordinary criticism of the government, but a fanatical fixation of the Jewish nation as the center of the world's worst crimes. The key to combating anti-Semitism is within you. We thwart our enemies when we're resilient, when we're vibrant, and when we're proud. Resilience, strength, and unity are within us, just as they were within our parents, grandparents, and ancestors, and will be with our children, grandchildren, and descendants. It's all a matter of whether we can step up to this moment and unequivocally proclaim Am Yisrael Chai, the people of Israel live.